Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica guys, get my here with another reaction. Today, guys, today we are with Richie Campbell. Yes, Richie Campbell featuring 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐶, Jeremy and Campbell. I don't know who that is. Chronicler, yeah man, La Boss. With Love Me Now. Yes, Richie Campbell, big up yourself, big up the whole team, big up the production team. Father Dark upon it. I'm gonna see what I go. I'm gonna jump in there and see what I go. Let's go, man. Also, a link to the one I got down in the description. Go tell them what you think about it. Let's go. Big spliff.
I'm me alone in the dark. Me have a hole in my heart.
Bumbo
Them
clap.
never believe it from the start. Know them have to look up at the stars. I'm me alone in the dark.
Yo.
Me have a hole in my heart.
Yo.
Them never believe it from the start. Know them have to look up at the stars. Ah, do you love me now?
Yo.
You never was around me when times hard, so you can see me now. Ah, do you love me now?
Hold on, Richie.
You never was around me when times hard, so you can see me now.
I'm me alone in the dark, lonely as a boss. Ice in my vein, it kinda cold in my heart. Them say,
Hold on. Wait. Richie Campbell is from Portugal. He's a Portuguese. He's a Portuguese artist. And the man I sing solid.
I'm me alone
Going
in
on
the
the
dark.
dark.
Me have a hole in my
I'm
heart.
art.
Them never believe it from the start.
They never believe it from the start, bro. They never believe Richie. Tell them again. Can I look at them here?
Me have a hole in my heart. Them never believe it from the start. Know them have to look up at the stars.
Look up.
I'm me alone in the dark. Me have a hole in my heart. Them never believe it from the start.
Yo, the man I sing dance,
have to
brother.
look up
In
at
a
the
patois,
stars.
bro.
Ah, do you love me now?
Talent.
You never was around me when times hard, so you can see me now.
Talent.
Ah, do you love me now?
Yo. The G vocal, them on point, bro. The vocals on point. The range where Richard can get with him voice, bro. Like, I'm not joke, bro. Real talented.
Do you love me now? You never was around me when times hard, so you can see me now.
You never did the when times hard, so you can't see me now when times easy, pussy. Sleepless night in a studio, bleach a blood clamours. Just forget a hit song. Now me get it, you want to know me. Me no know you. Me no know you. Me no know you. Me no know you, pussy. Me no know you. Me no know you.
You never was around me when times hard, so you can see me now.
Can't see me, man. John
I'm
Cena,
me alone in
bitch.
the dark, lonely as a boss. Ice in my vein, it kinda cold in my heart. Them
Pussy clad. I'm me alone in the dark. Lonely as the boss. Yo.
me alone in
Not
the dark, lonely as a boss. Ice in my vein, it kinda cold in my heart. Them say jot upon the line without a phone, me off a talk. Ice in my vein, it kinda cold in my heart. Them say jot upon the line without a phone, me off a talk.
Them said judge up on the line without a phone, me have to talk.
Living in a world full of code, we have to smart. No love, I just a truth. Without the money, nobody no find me cute. No girl will style the youth. No girl will give me jacket.
Yo. Man say without money, them no find him cute.
Without the money, nobody no find me cute.
Nobody.
No girl will style the youth. No girl will give me jacket and I tell me find the boot. Like
Pussy. Yo. No girl will give me jacket and tell me find the boat. Move your pussy. Hey, girl.
I'm me alone in the dark. Me have a hole in my heart. Them never believe it from the start. Know them have to look up at the stars. I'm me alone in the dark. Me have a hole in my heart. Them never believe it from the start. Know them have to look up at the stars. Ah, do you love me now? You never was around me when times hard. hard so you can see me now. Do you love me now? You never was around me when times hard so you can see me now.
I'm me alone in the dark, lonely as a boss. Ice in my vein, it kinda cold in my yard. Them say jot upon the line without a phone, me off a talk. Living in a world full of code, we have to smart. No love, I just a truth. Without the money, nobody no find me cute. No girl we style the youth. No girl we give me jacket and I tell me find the boat. Loyalty, none of them smarty, them want for use.
None of them,
Them tell me love our church, my baptized. Me see them a start vibes, so me stop smile. Round here you can't play a fool, better act wise. Heard me again, not another chance. Drain energy that you want. Nothing a lie, smarty turn it on. Still stuck in the dark.
Do you love me now? You never was around me when times hard, so you can see me now.
This body of fuck, this solid, bro.
Do you love me now? You never was around me when times hard, so you can see me now. Them now go get to catch up right now the back of the Benz. Them have to see me and bad mind me from back of the ends.
Bobo clap. We are now. Me now pull up again in the Richie, sorry.
Them now go get to catch up right now the back of the Benz. Them have to see me and bad mind me from back of the ends. Tell me why me bust.
Them have to see me and bad mind me from back of the ends. Cause them now go get them now go manage to get a right now the blood clot back of the Benz.
Get to catch up right now the back of the Benz. Them have to see me and bad mind me from back of the ends. Tell me why me bust and then me have to lose all of my friends. I wonder when I'm not around if me them a defend. So tell me girl if me never bust would you there with me? And if me ever broke would you talk about equality?
Blood clot. If me never boss, you not there with me, mama? Me just ask. If me never boss, if me never have money, you not talk about equality? Me just ask.
So tell me, girl, if me never boss, would you there with me? And if me ever broke, would you talk about equality? Come in my soul, me know them girl and I no loyalty.
If me did broke, you not talk about equality? Down in your soul, me know them girl and I no loyalty if you want the money.
And if me ever broke, would you talk about equality? Tongue in my soul, me know them girl and I no loyalty. Me see them not stand firm in a life, then we kill you, no apology. Deep in me got me have a feeling me can shake and no pretend. See say none of them, but when they run, I know me friend. Trick me once before, but me can't let them do it again. Snakes in the grass, me have to cut it to the stem, from the root to the stem. If I not be down, then I be a pussy them. Tell me where you hold me down. Trick me once before, but me can't let them do it again.
Nah, do it again.
Snakes in the grass, me have to cut it to the stem, from the root to the
snake in the grass, I have to cut it to the stem. I have to cut it short. It's very short.
Stem. If I
so
not be
can't see them.
Then I be a pussy them. Tell me where you hold me down, stick around to the end. Tell me say them love me, but feed them love is a chain. Do you love me now?
Tell me say you love me, but your love is a chain, pussy. Yo, this solid, bro. This solid, your fuck. I love it.
Do you love me now? You never was around me when times hard, so you can see me now.
Well, production team, big up on yourself, dog. Gonna know on yourself, bro. And I have to call on him. It's solid. It's bad.
The buckets he's rapping is absolutely insane. And for this man to be a Portuguese dancehall artist is absolutely mad.
Yeah.
Like, what the hell?
Crazy, dog. Crazy for real, bro. A Portuguese dancehall artist. I said it in the intro. Yo, if you don't fuck with that one, I go down in the description. I know I'm not have to fuck with that one because it's bad. I no joke bad. I no promo me get to tell you say it bad. It's blood clot bad. Yes. Yo! Portuguese dancehall artist, bro. Music is a universal language. I keep telling you that shit, bro. If you don't fuck with that one, I make him know down in the comment section. Link down there, man. Make him know. Labas, pick up yourself. It's Hakeem Campbell. Yeah, man, and Richie Campbell. The Campbell family. Them out. Blood clot. It's well put together. I like it. Let me know what to take whatever down in the comment section and I'll catch you guys down there too, alright?